Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change home screen grid size on XIAOMI 15T. In order to do that, go to Settings, then scroll down to Home Screen, tap on this option, and then scroll down to Home Screen Layout. And here you can select one of the three available layouts: 4x6, 4x7 or 5x8. And this way, as you can see, you will change the grid size of your home screen. And that's it. To apply changes, tap apply and the changes will be applied. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.